hill climb in quotes competition today. It's not actually, it's not timed, is it?
No, it's not timed.
Okay, it's not timed, but we're following that. Quite an event. Let's have a look and see what's behind. So yeah, we're just about to get a run up the hill. You get 3 runs up during the day.
Yep.
3 runs, none of them timed, no practices, and a maximum speed of 70, they say.
They say.
Yeah, so they say.
Yeah.
We'll see about that. So, yeah, this is going to be interesting. So I've never been in a Sierra Cosworth engine car of any type. This one's running nearly 500 horsepower, so some good old fashioned turbo lag is coming. I can't wait for this. I seriously can't wait. Anti-lag, nice, but labelled. So we're almost there. Do you get butterflies? Like when I'm in the pit lane in Goodwood, my stomach is turning over 10 to the dozen. You've got that right?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, 100%.
Good. I know that. I love that feeling. It's, yeah, and then once you get going, it's just such a buzz.
Okay.
Such a buzz.
In front because he likes to roll back so he can get more of a wheel spin.
Oh, what in that? Wheel spin in that?
Yeah, he said I like to get a bit more of a wheel spin. He doesn't take his foot off the accelerator.
All the way up?
All the way up, yeah, all the way up. 600cc.
Yeah, wow. Bumpier than I imagined. I don't know why I thought it was going to be like Goodwood and a smooth racetrack. That was really choppy. I mean, that was proper like rally
I think the road doesn't help. Like you say, it's. I think if I got a bit harder springs, the problem is where they had the road
bounce off the track.
Bumpy.
Yeah.
It's so bumpy. Yeah.
That was an experience. When it hooks up, you feel it struggling, but when it hooks up,
it's the lag.
Cheers.
It's the lag when it goes.
Yeah.
It was that flip when it kind of went like that.
Oh yeah, we did get a little bit
It's fishtail
in the sterile zone.
Yeah.
No, that was good. That was really good.
Yeah,
So now we just get along probably a couple of miles.
Yeah, it's a good couple of miles.
Couple of miles now. We have to head along here and drive all the way back round to the paddock again. So yeah, quite an event. Lots of people on the side of the road watching. Yeah, this is where I came up to and turned around earlier.
Yeah.
But you have to watch out for the law.
Yeah, this is the law down here.
And it's very tight as well, isn't it?
Yeah,
You with your big arches.
Yeah, it's I think that's one of the things that we probably could do is getting springs a bit firmer.
You think so?
Maybe. I mean the road quality there doesn't help.
No, I guess. Do you know what? As you've got this set up, you need to bring this to Goodwood. Let me guide you round.
Yeah, that'd be great.
That'd be good. Yeah, I know. I get the sense that it's. I mean, with all that power and the boost, it wasn't really struggling for traction.
No.
Once we were rolling anyway, unless it was over the crest. So I think at Goodwood, I think it would be there for you. I think it would be a good thing.
Yeah, I think if I had a nice smooth road,
Yeah.
I think it would. Be interesting.
It would be rapid. So you really hear the turbo whine and build boost and spin. So if we can get some. This probably isn't going to come out, but let's give it a go.